Hello from Tanima. You're watching this video in my YouTube handle at just Tanima_Barbie. Just to let you know, my YouTube venture is totally a personal, anywhere as a voluntary virtual social outreach, and it has nothing to do with my profession when engaged with research and teaching in the field of molecular biology and biotechnology in an institution in India. I personally believe that education should be freely accessible to all, and with this in mind, I have initiated a series on cancer biology. This is my 60th video on cancer biology. The present video intends to discuss few perspectives of dysbiosis in the topic on non-mutagenic mechanisms of carcinogens, in the discussion on environmental exposure and cancer connection. The present video partially discusses the paper entitled Not All Carcinogens Are Directly Mutagenic, a holistic view of the environmental exposure cancer connection. The DOI of the same has been pasted in the description box. I would also request you to turn on the subtitle or caption button on your screen in case you find difficulty with my deliberation. Do keep watching. In the context of fusobacteria, this bacterium is typically found in the oral microbiome, yet it is infrequently observed in the gut microbiome of healthy individuals. The presence of fusobacteria was not demonstrated to be influenced by a particular exposure. It is conceivable, therefore, that dysbiosis induced by this particular bacterium may more directly influence host mechanisms that promote tumor development, or that alterations in the microbiome stemming from the cancer's natural progression may instigate the rise of fusobacterium, thereby further facilitating carcinogenesis to the detriment of other beneficial microbial entities. The eradication of H. pylori enhances the recovery of Rhodococcus, Lactobacillus, and Spingomonas, which are notably abundant in the gastric mucosa and correlate with a favorable prognosis in gastric cancers. While the intestinal microbiome includes various organisms apart from bacteria, there is limited understanding of how environmental factors might modify fungal or viral populations in the gut, potentially affecting cancer progression. Significant efforts are still required to determine how environmental factors such as diet alter the composition of these microorganisms in relation to specific types of cancer, and whether the microbiome can be adapted for the purposes of both cancer treatment and prevention. So viewers, hope the video could discuss few perspectives of dysbiosis in the topic on non-mutagenic mechanisms of carcinogens. Please don't forget to like and share the video and also subscribe to my channel. Here I would like to mention that the references that were used for preparing the video have been pasted in the description box, and if you're interested to look into the details, you might check the same. Hope to meet you soon with yet another video on cancer biology. Till then, do take care, keep well, and bye.